Seeing my name on the jet is just a constant reminder that that jet, it's just my pride, and it's my name, it's my word. That's pretty much all we have in the Air Force is, we start with our words. So that jet reminds me, stay grounded, stay disciplined, and stay strong, and not falter. Just keep doing my best. My job is jack of all trades. I must know anything there is to know about this jet, whether I touch it or not. Electrical down to mechanical, fluids, anything. Tire change, component change, inspections, rigging, all those good things. Paint, even cleaning the jets.
You have to go through a DCC class. It's a 3-day course that they teach over at maintenance training. As well as that, you have to be one of the top of the crew. You have to prove yourself, showing people that you have the ability to take the jet into your hands and actually make it the best that you can. Cleaning it, knowing your jet inside and out, knowing all the discrepancies that are in it. You have to really put forth an effort. In most cases, the DCC slot is given to staff sergeants. However, if we have a senior airman that is showing that they are working towards being a staff, that they will most likely be a staff here shortly, and they are best of the best, we'll put them in there as well.
Having my name on the jet is very special, but it also reminds me that that's not the only jet to take care of or to take pride upon. That's just my baby. But I also have to show love to all these jets. It's very humbling in the sense that it's a pilot driving this jet, flying it, putting man hours, and it's up to me. He entrusts me for his life, and I have to not only think about him, but his wife and his kids, because I have wife and I have kids too. And so that just helps me bond with everyone.
Without a doubt, I would like to say Senior Airman Ruiz is one of the best crew chiefs that I've known for the rank that he's at. I do feel that he was well deserving of the DCC slot, and he'll go far places here in the Air Force.
My family cannot believe still that Sierra Airman in Puerto Rico have a name on the jet.